Good job. Hi friends, welcome to What's Cookin' Coco. So today we're gonna make something super simple and easy that's only gonna take 3 ingredients. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some corn tortillas. I'm gonna show you exactly how to put it together in literally less than 10 minutes, maybe even 5. Let's get started. All right friends, so this is exactly what we're gonna need to make our corn tortillas. This Maseca. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna need 2 cups of this, which I've already measured and put in the bowl. Okay, 2 cups of the Maseca. Just sprinkle a little bit of oil. It doesn't say to put oil, but I like to put oil in mine a little bit to just give it a little bit of texture, okay? And then it does not say to put salt in it, but I put salt in mine. So just a little bit of salt in there, okay? 1.5 cups of water, okay? And so don't pour it in all at once, because what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix it and then pour, mix it and then pour, okay? Just like that. And like I said, this literally should take you no more than 3 minutes here for the mixing and a total of 10 to get all of these tortillas rolled and cooked, okay? Just keep mixing until it no longer sticks to your hands, okay? And it's coming together nicely. We don't want anything dry. Make sure that it's all sticking together and not sticking to your hands, okay? After kneading it, that was about 3 minutes. This is exactly what you want it to look like, just like this, okay? This does not need to sit you know, for anything. You just, once it's rolled and done, then you just take off little knobs like this, just like that, okay? And you roll in your hand, okay? Just like that. A good amount. You want to roll, just like that, okay? I have a little gadget here, and mine is my little tortilla press, okay? If you don't have one of these, that's totally fine. You could totally just use, you know, your little rolling pin, put, you know, it on some flour and just roll it out. It'll take you a little bit of time, but that's okay. So that's how you do it. And then you just press down, just like that. You see that? Look at that. Just like that. That's exactly how we want our tortilla to look, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and do a couple of these using our dough, and then I'll show you how to just put it on the comal, which is the frying pan, and how it's just gonna look great on, you know, for you to eat. So now that we've had a couple of tortillas pressed out, rolled out, however you have it, easy part is this. You just make sure that you have a comal, which is your saucepan, whatever your pan, on on medium-high heat, warmed and ready to go, and you just throw it on there just like that. And you give it about maybe like 2 to 3 minutes to cook. You'll start to notice that once it bubbles up, that's when we know it's done. We got to flip it around a couple of times, okay? And then as soon as we see those bubbles, then that means it's done. And then it's ready to go. It's that simple. All right, friends, so we're done. We're done doing our tortillas, and that took about 10 minutes. Not hard at all, okay? And look at the steam from that. Oh, beautiful tortillas that you can use for your tacos. You can even make quesadillas with these. The possibilities are endless. You can cut them up and fry them for chips. So this is how I do my corn tortillas. It's so easy, guys. Just like that. Let's taste it. There's nothing like making your own tortillas at home. Store-bought is great, quick and easy. But when you make your own at home, oh my gosh, it just hits you in a totally different way. So, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and comment. I love reading all your guys' comments, and share, okay? We'll see you guys again next time. Bye.